I already have my hair smoothed up into a bun with, I use Eco Styler olive oil gel and Jamaican black castor oil, and brush it up and put a scarf on it for about 10 minutes. For this tutorial, you're going to need 1 pack of Marley Braiding hair, and you're going to take about 4 pieces out of the pack, and you're going to cut them in half so that you have 8 small pieces. And then reattach the rubber band in the middle. Unless you have extra hair lying around, then you don't have to take the rubber band out. So let's get started. You're going to take the rubber band with the hair in 2 sections and attach it to your hair and divide it into 2 sections, and you're going to start at the very bottom of the hair. Sometimes it's uneven, so you can cut the tangle off and start at the very bottom, and you're going to roll the hair up. You're going to hold it tightly and hold it together as you roll so that when you pin it, it doesn't fall out. And you're going to roll it all the way to the top of where the rubber band is. And then you're going to pin it. I used about 7 bobby pins for each side, but it may vary based on each person. As you roll it and as you feel it, you'll see if you need more or if you need less. And you're just gonna pin it down until it's tight. So I think it's good now. And basically, you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to start at the bottom and roll it up. And you just want to make sure that it's tight and you don't have any uneven parts when you're rolling it up. So you're going to do the exact same thing that you did on the other side. Until you get to the top again. And then you're going to pin it down until it's tight. It's really easy. It looks a lot harder than it actually is. And you're just going to pin it all the way around. And then I just want to pin this down a little bit more so that you can actually see that it goes in like a bow. So I'm going to pin the middle down just a little bit more. And as you can see, it's starting to kind of look like a bow now. So for the next step, you're going to use the 8 pieces that you cut. And then you're gonna put them in half like you did the rest of the Marley hair. You're gonna split it in half. Instead of rubber bands, you're going to use the small bobby pins instead. And you're just gonna put it through the middle of the hair. And I used 2 just to make sure that it would go through and stay. And it should look like this. So you're going to put it right in the middle of your bow. And you might need to add more bobby pins so that it doesn't come out when you pull it up. So I'm going to add a couple more so it's tight. So basically now you're going to pull it to the back of your hair and make sure that you cover your hair that you left out in the bun, and you're going to pin it down. So once you pin that part down and you have your bun, your hair is covered, you have this little bit of extra hair left over. So you're going to kind of want to tuck it under this section so that you don't see it. And you're going to tuck it in and then pin it again. And just tuck it in until it's no longer visible. And then you can just cover it up with the bow and pin it again to make sure that it's covered. And I have a little bit right here that didn't get tucked in. My lipstick is coming off now from the bobby pins. But as you can see, that's the bag, and my hair is covered up. And that's one side, the other side, and that's it. See, that was easy. Thanks for watching.